Hello friends, we are here for you with another blog and video. You can take a look at our blog from the link in description. If you are onto this video, you are looking to write the best Fiverr profile description for your seller account. If you haven't subscribed to channel, please subscribe it and turn on notifications to view more similar posts. Now, we'll share some ideas and samples with you to write a description that makes your Fiverr profile stand out. Let's go. First of all, we'll discuss where you need good Fiverr profile description. It's natural that when you decide to work with a seller, you always like to know who exactly the person is. You want to be sure about the people you are trusting with your hard-earned money. Similarly, when a buyer arrives on any seller's profile, before placing an order, he or she invests some time and take a look at your profile and tries to find out whether the seller will meet the needs or not. So, from your profile picture to your profile description, fill every section carefully to showcase your talent. Here are some tips for writing the best Fiverr profile description, further explained by samples. Write your profile description in simple and basic English, because most buyers on Fiverr are non-native English speakers. They find it hard to understand complicated words. That is why your description should be straightforward. It would be best to avoid grammar, trying, and spelling mistakes, and don't forget to proofread your description before adding it on Fiverr. Write a brief introduction if yourself. Don't try to stuff words in your profile description. It's essential to talk about your experience so that your buyer can understand that you can do their task. Your experience must be relevant to the services you are offering on Fiverr. Don't try to add unnecessary information in this part of the description. For example, in the end, you should write something that makes your profile stand out. For example, you can write that you can transform ideas into realities. You have to write something that encourages buyer to place an order. After all of the necessary details, now you should have to focus on client's satisfaction. It is an integral part of running a business on Fiverr. You have to show the buyers that you care about them. At the start, you can offer unlimited revision and a 100% money-back guarantee. These offers can give you an edge and can make your profile unique to stand out. For example, in the end, you can encourage buyers to inbox for any query or confusion. You can also ask them to contact you for samples and free drafts. For example, here's a bonus tip for you. Don't forget to use your keyword in the description. It will be best if you use it twice. Remember, you should never copy someone else's profile's description because this can result in your account suspension. Now we'll share some samples of good profile description for Fiverr. Example 1. Example 2. Here are the conclusions. So, to write the best profile description, you have to use some engaging and encouraging words that can attract a buyer. These words should make your profile stand out. You can research a bit while choosing words, which is the most critical part of the description. Remember, this is not just a blog post, this is a complete research work, and a lot of successful freelancers follow this method. If you have any questions, do let us know in the comments. We'll soon reply to you with a detailed answer. If you like the video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to view our complete blog post from the link provided in description.